हेलो दोस्तों, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल ज्ञान प्लस पे आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। आज मैं इलाहाबाद में आया हूँ जिसका नया नाम प्रयागराज है, और हमने एक ऐसे स्टूडेंट से मिली जिन्होंने एसएसबी का मतलब रिटर्न क्वालिफाई कर लिया है और उनका इंटरव्यू लगा हुआ है। आइए पहले हम इनके बारे में जानते हैं, उसके बाद फिर जानते हैं कि एसएसबी को क्लियर करना हो तो कैसे कर सकते हैं और इंटरव्यू की तैयारी के लिए किस तरह से कैसी तैयारी की जा सकती है। तो हाँ, अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए।
Myself Swatantra Dinesh Upadhyay. I am from Maharashtra, Aurangabad. I clear my 12th standard and 10th standard from Aurangabad. Now I also clear my written examination for NDA and now I am shortlisted for SSB Allahabad. Thank you.
तो ये बताइए, आपने इसकी वैकेंसी वगैरह से वैकेंसी देखी थी और उसके बाद आपने इसको फॉर्म फिल किया था, इस तरह से किस तरह से आपने एसएसबी के बारे में कुछ बताइए, कैसे किया था।
Yeah, first of all, when I am very much aware of internet. So there are almost 90 vacancies for SSB. So I just fill the form and I get shortlisted for SSB Allahabad.
तो आपने तैयारी कहाँ से करी एसएसबी के लिए।
Basically, I am from Maharashtra, but for the preparation of SSB, I came to UP Prayagraj and also joined the major culture classes for the SSB preparation. Now the course is almost completed, and now I am doing my self study. And there is my SSB interview on 7th of January.
तो एसएसबी की आपने यहाँ पे इलाहाबाद में आकर के जो है उसके इंटरव्यू की तैयारी के लिए आप आए हुए हैं। तो आप क्या बता सकते हैं एसएसबी के इंटरव्यू में किस तरह से तैयारी कराई जाएंगी यहाँ पे।
Yes, SSB is almost about 5 days interview, and on first day there is OIR and PPDT test. It is a filter test exactly. The maximum of the students get screened out from there, and almost 10 to 20% of students get screening for the second days. And on the second day they've started their WAT and situation reaction test, word association test for the further process. And on the third day they start their GD lecture it, and which is nothing but about international affairs, national affairs, GK, and of Indian Army information. And about the fourth day they start their ground training. They want to see their leadership, their thinking power, their group planning exercise, and the much as known as leadership first of all. And on the fifth day they take interview with one to one, and after that the psychologist, the officers, and the commandant and the president of the deputy what you call president of Allahabad, they take our mix interview. And that's all about the 5 days interview. And after that we have to go for medical process, and it is almost about after the 1 month, and after that they will give the merit list to us, and just we have to wait for it. Thank you.
जैसा कि दोस्तों आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि इन्होंने सारे जवाब इंग्लिश में ही दिए हैं। तो हम इनसे पूछना चाहते हैं एसएसबी के लिए क्या इंग्लिश इतनी ज़रूरत है, या जिसकी इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं है क्या वो एसएसबी के लिए मतलब तैयारी कर सकते हैं या नहीं। तो आइए जानते हैं।
First of all, English is very much important for the SSB interview, because for the GD, for lecture, for group discussion, and for the leadership in GTO ground, English is compulsory in SSB interview. But there is option for Hindi also, but it is only valid for interview and personal interview. Yeah.
तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि एसएसबी इंडिया का बहुत ही टफ एग्ज़ाम है, तो ये आपके दिमाग में आया कहाँ से।
Because I was searching for another competitive exams, and yeah, as you tell me that SSB one of the toughest interview in the India, so I got it from the internet. And about the vacancies also I got from internet, and when I check the eligibility criteria, I am very much suitable for it. That's all.
तो दोस्तों जैसा कि हमने इनसे पूछा तो मतलब ये बता रहे हैं कि 7 तारीख को इनका इंटरव्यू है। तो आइए जानते हैं कि इंटरव्यू में पहुंचने से पहले क्या क्या प्रोसेस होते हैं, किस तरह से जो है एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई करने होते हैं, और आइए जानते हैं फिर।
First of all, I had cleared my JEE exam from Maharashtra, Aurangabad, and after that when I see the exam for SSB interview, I just fill the form, and by good luck I just get the recommended for the SSB interview. But there was almost 2000 students who didn't get the chance, and almost 1 to 2000 students get recommended for SSB interview. And there is another stage also, which is NDA. First of all, clear the NDA examination, which is one of the toughest exam, and after that you can go for SSB interview. But in my case, I have to just clear the JEE. I have to cross the clear the cutoff, and then after that I recommended for the SSB interview. Thank you.
तो आपने जैसा कि बताया जेईई के थ्रू आपने मतलब यहाँ पे आए हैं एसएसबी में, और एक जो एनडीए के थ्रू होता है, तो आप बताइए इसमें डिफरेंट क्या होता है?
First of all, the first thing is about crowd. NDA has a much more less crowd as compared to JW students appear for SSB interview. There is almost 550 students for one batch in SSB interview, and if we talk about the NDA SSB, there is almost 50 students at least for the SSB interview, and in NDA, all like what we can say that only 15 students is going to be recommended from out of 50 students, but in JEE TES entry, in which there is almost 25 students is going to be recommended from 550 students. Yeah, and as compared to NDA and according to my SSB interview, there is NDA interview is much tougher than my interview examination. Thank you. That's
तो आपसे एक जानकारी और चाहिए कि आप बताइए इसमें इंटरव्यू के बाद कितने सिलेक्शन होने हैं?
almost for each and every interview. There is almost 90 students which are going to be selected after medical in the merit list.
आ, तो फिर आप बताइए इंटरव्यू के बाद फिर मेडिकल में क्या प्रोसेस है?
In medical process, they are going to be check our whole body. They are going to be scan it from outer and internal also. Okay, and after they are going to be checked that if there is any surgery within 6 months, or they are going to be checked tattoos, which is according to their rules and regulations. Yeah, that's all about interview.
जैसा कि हम देख पा रहे हैं कि आपको ग्लासेस भी लगे हुए हैं, तो क्या इसकी वजह से कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी?
According to me, my glasses are going to be perfect because I have already read their rules and regulations for the eye medical checkup, and I am very much suitable for them.
कि आपका सिलेक्शन हो ही जाए, और आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा तो आप कहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग करना चाहेंगे?
After all, there is two options: IMA, which is in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and second prestigious academy is of OTA, Officer Training Academy, which is in Chennai. Okay, so according to me and according to them also, we are going to be sent to OTA. Okay, there almost we will train for about 4 years, 3 years of engineering, and the last year is about basic military training. Yeah, and after that we are going to be post as a lieutenant, as an officer ranking. Yeah.
तो जैसा कि हमारे लाखों दर्शक आपको इस समय देख रहे होंगे, तो क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि अगर एसएसबी में जाना है तो उनके लिए क्या योग्यता होनी चाहिए, क्या एज होनी चाहिए, और तमाम सारी जानकारियाँ?
Yes, according to me, if you want to go for SSB interview after just passing 12th standard, you can prepare for NDA exam, which is conducted by UPSC, and you first of all you have to clear the exam, which is about 900 marks. Okay, and at least you want 200 marks to clear it, and after that you will be called by SSB. Okay, and according which is my route to go for SSB interview. It is first of all I have cleared my JW exam, which is one of the toughest exam of India and all over world, and after that I clear my 12th standard with more than 80 percentile, which is a very much category of SSB interview for TES, which is technical entry scheme, which I had just appear now. Okay, and now we can go, and these are the two methods you should go for SSB interview just after passing 12th. And if you ask me for the tips and advice for the SSB aspirant, which are going to be my next only. Okay, so first of all they should think about nation, and after that they should have officer like qualities, OLQs, which is very most important in SSB interview, and their psychology, their mentality, their thinking power, their level of thinking. These are very much important for SSB interview, and they only just in search of this only in you. Okay, and that's all about SSB interview. Thank you.
आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जैसा कि बेस्ट ऑफ लक योर एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एंड मैं चाहता हूं कि आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाए और आप अपने माता पिता का और इस देश का नाम गर्व से रोशन करें.
Thank you so much, sir.